Welcome to What is an MCP Server? A beginner's guide to one of the most exciting developments in AI tooling. The Model Context Protocol is transforming the way AI models connect to the real world. And by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly how. Language models are incredibly powerful, but they live in a box. They can't read your files, query your database, browse the web, or call an API on their own. Every time you want an AI to interact with an external system, developers have to write custom glue code from scratch every single time. It's fragile, repetitive, and it doesn't scale. The Model Context Protocol, or MCP, is an open standard created by Anthropic in 2024. Its goal: give AI models a universal, structured way to connect to external tools and data. Instead of every AI integration being a one-off hack, MCP defines a shared language that any AI host and any external service can both speak fluently. Think of MCP like USB for AI. Before USB, every device, printer, keyboard, mouse, needed its own special port and driver. USB unified them all with one standard. MCP does the same for AI tools. Build one MCP server for your database, and any MCP-compatible AI, Claude, GPT, Cursor, or whatever comes next, can use it immediately. MCP has three key components. The host is the AI application the user interacts with, like Claude Desktop or an IDE plugin. The client lives inside the host and manages the MCP connection lifecycle. And the server is a lightweight process you build that exposes your tools and data. The host and server communicate using a clean, JSON-based protocol. MCP servers expose three types of primitives. The first and most powerful is tools, functions the AI can call. A tool has a name, a plain English description so the AI knows when to use it, and a JSON schema defining its input parameters. When the AI decides to use a tool, it sends a request to the server. The server executes the function and returns the result. The second primitive is resources. Structured data the AI can read on demand, like files, database records, or API responses. Resources are identified by URI. The third primitive is prompts, reusable templates that guide the AI's behavior for common tasks, like code review or document summarization. Together, these three primitives cover most real-world AI integration needs. MCP servers already exist for dozens of popular tools. There are servers for GitHub that let the AI read and create pull requests. Servers for PostgreSQL and SQLite that let the AI query databases in natural language. Servers for Slack, Google Drive, Jira, the local file system, web browsers, and much more. The MCP registry is growing every week. Building an MCP server is surprisingly simple. Anthropic provides SDKs for Python, TypeScript, and other languages. In Python, you import fastMCP, decorate a function with @mcp.tool, add a docstring describing what it does, and call mcp.run. The SDK handles all protocol details automatically. Most basic servers can be written in under 50 lines of code. When Claude is connected to an MCP server, it gains new abilities. You can ask it to query your database, read your calendar, search your codebase, or send a Slack message, all in plain English. Claude decides which tools to call, calls them, interprets the results, and responds. No custom prompting, no manual API calls, just a conversation. MCP matters because it shifts AI from a question-answering tool into an active participant in your workflow. It's the difference between an assistant who can only talk and one who can actually do things. As more services publish MCP servers and more AI models adopt the standard, the ecosystem of AI-powered automation grows exponentially. To recap, MCP is the universal protocol for connecting AI to the world. Servers expose tools, resources, and prompts. Hosts connect to those servers. You can build your own server in under 50 lines of Python, and the result is an AI that can take real action, not just answer questions. That's MCP, and it's just getting started. Visit modelcontextprotocol.io to explore the registry and start building.